Hi, my dear students. Let us begin exercise 3.3. Question number 4. The performance of the student in first and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. Dear students, they are asking you to draw a double bar graph. That is main what they are asking. Then what are the given information? According to the double bar graph, they have given subjects as well as first term and second term. So in this way, next, in which subject has the child improved performance of the most? In which subject is the improvement is least? Has the performance gone there down in any subject? So let us start the answer. Before that, we have to draw the double bar graph. Here students, to draw a double bar graph, the main thing is you have to write the title performance of the student. Now I am choosing the first term, I will keep the bar graph empty. Second term I will shade it. The scale I have chosen. According to the given data, you have to choose the scale. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Now after that, you have to choose x-axis as well as y-axis. X-axis we have taken the subject and y-axis we have taken the marks. Y-axis we have taken the marks. Now English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science, 5 subjects are there. Marks are given here 0, 10, 20 because 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. This is very must and should. You have to do it. Then after that, now how to draw the bar graph, double bar graph. Now these things are basic things. You must do it for all the graphs. X-axis, y-axis. Then what you have chosen for x-axis, subject. For y-axis, marks. Now English, first term 67. Where it comes 67. Here 60 is there. So it is more than half. So now first term 67. Then the second term. Second term we have 70. 70 is here. So little up. So now we have chosen 70. As I told you, for the second term we have to shade it. So let me shade it. This is the 70, exact 70 in English subject. Now Hindi subject. The first term 72. Little you have to go up 72. But in the second term 65. According to the given data, you have to draw it. Second one is 65. It is center of 60 and 70. For the second term, we have to shade it because it is easy to understand which is first term and which is second term. Then the next one is mathematics, maths. The first term 88. Then it goes top 88 near around the 90. So 88. Now in the second term 95. 95 means it comes here 95. So let us shade it for the second term 95. Then the next one is that science 81. 81 is here. So you have to choose it. Then you have to draw 81. In the second term 85. There is a improvement in the second term. So you have to choose. You have to observe the data also when you are going to draw. It is easy to answer for the remaining questions. Now social science 73. Exact it comes here. You have to go through the scale 73 then 75 little height 73. You can observe that there is an improvement in the second term. Everywhere it is little bit height. But one thing you can observe that Hindi it has come down in the second term. Now we have to answer for the, this is the graph we have drawn. Now we have to answer for the following questions. How to answer? In which subject the has child improved his performance the most? The most you can see that is mathematics. So you can, by seeing this also you can answer, or by seeing this also you can answer. Here the data is 95 is the highest compared to all previous first term as well as in the second term. If you compare with the subjects also, mathematics is the highest. So you have to answer for the first question. In which the subject has the child improved his performance the most? That is mathematics. Now let us see. Let us answer to these questions. Before answering, because they are asking the comparison between first term and second term, so let us find out the difference of marks first term and second term. English 70 minus 67 is 3. See, we are going to subtract from the second term, so we have to 70 minus 67 3. 65 is in the second term, 75 was the first term. So if you subtract, you will get the greater value, minus 7. 95 minus 88, 7 marks. 85 minus 81, 4 marks. 75 minus 3, 2 marks. So everywhere there is a improvement, but only Hindi has come down. So let us see what questions they have asked. The first question is that in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? The most here, the highest one is 7. That is which subject? Math subject. So you can write that he has most improved in maths subject. Now second question, in which subject is improvement least? Least is improvement is in Hindi. There is their improvement. It has come down totally, but in very less improvement in social science. So you can write the answer that in social science subject his improvement is less. Now last question, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes. The answer you have to write, yes, in Hindi subject his performance gone down. You can see that it is in the negative mark. Hope you understood how to draw double paragraph and how to answer for the following questions. Only the thing is, just you have to do it systematically.